Hi, I'm Tanya Williams, Chief of Everything at Digital Conversations. Today I'm going to talk about something you might not want to hear because we know sometimes the truth hurts. I love helping businesses improve their digital visibility and to understand how to make digital work for their business. However, one of the biggest frustrations I have is when someone says to me, "Oh, we're fine, we're doing a great job." And then you look at their digital channels, cringe, and see that clearly they are not. So I ask you, do you want to know the digital truth? Do you want to know what you're doing well and what you aren't? If you don't improve the negative, how do you move forward and actually help your business? It's time to put your ego aside and take an objective look at your website, your social media channels, and your content. Ask yourself if you want to grow your business or you just want to pretend you're doing it well and bury your head in the sand. You're a specialist at what you do, right? So why don't you listen to a specialist outside your business who knows more and can take a fresh, unbiased look at what you're doing, then give you some real advice and directions to make a real difference to your business. It's time to get serious, be honest, and make a difference in your business's digital presence. It's time for the digital truth. I'm Tanya Williams, and never let anyone dull your sparkle.
I love that.
And never, never, never let anyone dull your sparkle.